Today I am going to talk about the improvements that we are going to release in Perspective Pause today. So start with now adding an order. What we have done is that we have made the changes into the category scan screen where we have added food, beverages, alcohol, hookah, tobacco, so that it is easy to find the categories. The categories under beverages can be found here. The food can be here. We have also introduced the number of categories that we show in one row, so that most of the categories fits into the one screen and you don't need to do scroll up and down. Second is that we have also introduced a barcode support. For that one, you can see our another video which will explain in detail how you are going to use the barcode. So for example, momos, and if you click the same item twice, now it will be quantity will be added, so it will be easy for you to say, for example, veg momos, if you want to add two, you can just click twice, and chicken momos, you can go click on back, then go to beverages, then say for example select a chai, and then chai will be added, and then if you can select the packs and click on save. Same is applied for add online and takeaway also. Similar changes are applicable there also. We have also improved in our inventory. So if you go to the new purchase order, now the PO number will be auto generated. So these PO numbers are generated on basis of date, month, year, and some incremental or random number, so that PO numbers is unique. You can select a vendor, select a location. Now the PO number, PO date, and expected receiving date will be default to the current date and start on this one. Here also we have added the support for the search along with the barcode. So I'm just going to use the barcode. Now you can see we have also added the summation in the bottom. So now you can see total amount being added into the bottom. So is the tax. And now you can go ahead and click on create. Once it has been created, earlier for the receiving we used to go to the another screen to do the receiving. Now it can be done here itself. So now what you need to do is just click on the receiving date, and now for the receiving quantity you can check box if the quantities are the same across all the master items. You just need to click on this checkbox, it will be autofill. If you want to modify, you can modify also, and click on received. So now rather than visiting two screens, it can be done on single screen, which will make your process faster. So for example, if I want to create just immediately another one, I just go ahead and click a store, and I can start adding the new purchase order here itself. Same applies to the indents also. In case of the indents also, the indents or numbers will be auto generated. And say for example, JP Nagar Kitchen is asking for the store, create store, the barcode support. And if I click, you can see that the bottom the amounts and create indent. And now here itself you can have the option to issue also. You can select the date, and now you can issue same as requested. Here you can see the stock, current stock for this Bira White Pint, and you can issue now. Done. One more improvement that we have made is that if you go to our like purchase screen, we have added a date range filter. So by default, it will show you the last 30 days purchase order, which you can change this to like last 90 days or this month and last month. This will help you to narrow down the any purchase order that you are searching for. Same applies to the intents also. Go to the intents, we have a here for last 30 days will be shown by default, but you can only select like this month, how many intents have been created last month. And if you go to the counts, similar kind of filters will be applicable here also, and you will find the similar kind of filters available in stock transactions also. So if you're looking for the transactions, how they are happening, you can apply these filters to see what transactions has happened in this month. It means how it has been stocked in and stocked out. So we hope that these changes will be helpful and make your uh, business much more faster on day-to-day basis. Thank you for using SpecuPass.